Hi, UnlockstarNinja here. Today, I will be taking you through the Unlock Cognitive Assessment in 5 steps. First of all, what is Unlock Cognitive Assessment? It is an assessment of the mental and natural abilities of children. Each onboarding Unlockstar takes the cognitive assessment to determine their mind focus, IQ, creativity level and other mental and natural abilities. The test is divided into 2 parts. Part A is the child's assessment. It consists of 90 easy questions about the daily activities of the child and what they love to do. Part B consists of questions for the parents or guardians. In these 80 multiple choice and yes or no questions, parents and guardians provide information regarding their observations of the child. Now let's go on an assessment tour. Step 1. Visit www.cracksonline.com and log into your Unlockstar dashboard with your unique ID and password. Step 2. Click on Take Assessment to start the test. Step 3. Attempt the questions in Part A, and click Submit. Step 4. Attempt the questions in Part B, and click Submit. Step 5. Click on View Results to see and download the report of your child's cognitive evaluation. Now you see how easy it is to take the assessment test. See you in next lesson. Bye.